Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at another case from Supcase for your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Okay guys, so this is the unicorn Beetle case that a lot of people have been talking about. I've been seeing it on a lot of YouTubers' channels. And if you guys want to look at that, you definitely can. I actually misplaced it, so that's the reason why I'm a little bit late with my unboxing. But a lot of people have been saying that this case looks very similar to a case that we know and love, and I will actually pull that out at the end of the video. But this is the case for itself, guys. We do have the logo for Supcase there on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it does have a lot of protection, guys. You do have the four corners that have the extra layer, so you shouldn't have no problem with any type of drop protection. This one is a little bit slimmer than the other one that we all know about. And so let's just pop this baby in and see what it looks like. I'm very curious to see what it looks like on here and see the differences. And you do have that little, it's almost like a pentagon, you could say, pattern on the inside. What do you guys think about it? So the one thing I do actually like about this is that you could actually see the Galaxy S9 Plus logo there, and you can actually see the Samsung logo there. It's a little bit cut off on the S, but it definitely could see it. So let's see how that lip action is. Everything looks pretty good so far. So as far as the front, there's no lip action on the side, but on the top and the bottom, very, very minimal. As far as the ports, everything looks absolutely cut out perfectly. I don't see any problem with that. And as far as the buttons, they're a little bit mushy, but you could definitely feel the feedback. So they're not super clicky, but you could definitely have to push it in to actually get the power or the volume up and down to move. Now, I think a lot of people want to see this. So this is the UAG version. Now, it's pretty much different, but you can definitely see that the one on the right is a little bit thinner. So you will get a little bit less protection, but the styles are basically the same. So if you guys are interested in picking up the UAG Plasma Series case, just let me know. But this video is about the unicorn Beetle. I'm definitely digging it. It's a lot lighter, and I'm definitely feeling it so far. The headphone jack looks pretty good, by the way. I didn't say anything about that, but that looks pretty good. Alright guys, so if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Supcase products and more tech to come. So, to the next video, guys. Peace. Later.